I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is an answer to the question of whether Swiffer dusters are biodegradable. And the answer is that no, they are not. These pads use synthetic fibers, and therefore they're not biodegradable. It's not something you should throw into your compost pile or anything like that. The good news, though, is that Swiffer's products are recyclable. So they have a unique process that they can use to recycle these. And you have to sign up on the Swiffer website. They'll give you a packing label. You can ship off all of your used Swiffer pads, and they'll actually responsibly recycle them for you. So that's the best bet. Don't throw it in your compost. Don't throw it in the green bin. It's not a biodegradable product, but they are recyclable using that special process. Also, don't throw them in your home recycling bin. In most places, they're not recyclable that way. Again, you have to use that special service from Swiffer where it's a special process to recycle these. But if you do that, it is actually free. So just go to the Swiffer website and you can download that. It's through a company called TerraCycle, and it's an easy way to do this in a more environmentally sound way. But no, not biodegradable, unfortunately.